In this video, I'm going to talk about WhatsApp community and how to create a WhatsApp community. A WhatsApp community is quite different from a WhatsApp group, and I've gone ahead to create a WhatsApp community titled Book Reviews, just to illustrate and show you what a WhatsApp community is. So with the WhatsApp community, you can create topic-based groups for members and easily send them announcements. This can be from book reviews, movies, your literal community groups, and many more. So within these groups, there are admins. And the admins of the group can literally be anyone, whether you've created a WhatsApp group before or you haven't created a WhatsApp group. Members of the community can jump from one group to another, and they also get a general chat where they get to talk about the activities of the group. And within these groups, there are also groups admin. The WhatsApp community that you create, you will be the main admin to the community. And you can add admins to your WhatsApp community to help you manage your WhatsApp community. So for example, in this community, we do have the book reviews, a general section where they can chat, science and fiction, fantasy, mystery and thrilling enthusiasts, and then the literary explorers. And finally, you can add as many groups as you want. So basically, that's what a WhatsApp community is. So if you want to know how to create a WhatsApp community, this is how you can do it. Now open WhatsApp, and once you have WhatsApp open, you want to tap on communities. Under communities, you see all the communities and groups that you manage. To create a new community, tap on new community and tap on get started. Here you'll be able to enter your community name and description. Add a community image, give it a name, and then enter a description for your community. Once done, tap on the green arrow below and your community will be created. So you get announcements where you can send announcements to every member of your community. And in the group section, everyone who is a member of your community will have access to the general chat and your announcements. Here you can add as many groups as you want to the community. And if you want to customize your community details, you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and you see your community info. Tap on community info. Here you'll be able to see your community link, add members, and even add groups. You'll also be able to edit your community info, manage groups, community settings, and many more. So that's how you can create a WhatsApp community. So thank you for watching this video on how to create WhatsApp community, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.